Dude, we're pitching commercials for Wispr Flow's mobile launch today. We don't have any ideas.
Okay, imagine this. We open on a voiceover that says Wispr Flow is a voice dictation app, like Siri, except it doesn't suck.
Hey buddy, can we be a bit more professional here?
Okay, fine. We cast Timothy Chalamet to talk about our amazing features like auto edits.
Where are we gonna get Timothy Chalamet? Our meeting is in 9 minutes. What other features can we show them?
With Wispr Flow, you can save unique words or names to your own personalized dictionary. Yo, what's up, broski? Teddy Roosevelt, Brochacho. And with Wispr Flow, you don't need to say punctuation like, hey, period, where are you? Question mark.
Right, you could just say, where are you? Wait, where are you?
Sorry, I get a little nervous before pitches.
I got it. What if we pitch Wispr Flow a commercial where two people are coming up with a commercial for Wispr Flow? They can talk about how Flow works inside Slack, iMessage, email, Docs, or anything really. So what do you think?
It is way too meta. They are never gonna go for it.
We're pitching to Wispr Flow, and we don't have any ideas.
Wow. Okay. So they went for it. Wispr Flow, now available on mobile.